cloudburst in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district has triggered flash floods in the region. Continuous heavy rainfall across the district has triggered landslides, leading to the closure of several link roads as well as stretches of the national highway. Almost all the rivers and streams are flowing above or close to the danger mark, submerging a number of low-lying areas and roads in several parts of Jammu and Kashmir. The visuals on your screens show Ramban, Rajouri, Anantnag, Kathua, Doda and Jammu. You can see these horrific visuals which can tell you the height of atrocities that the people living in the area have to face. Now, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has said that the situation in many parts of Jammu province is quite serious and he'll be taking the next available flight from Srinagar to Jammu to personally monitor the developing situation. Now let's talk about the visuals that are most defining that we have been tracking since morning. First, look at this visual. The bridge caves in. This is in Jammu. Vehicles were stranded in the flood. Tawi bridge collapses. Vehicles were struck for several hours. Locals came out of their cars to rescue these people, but this is one of the horrifying images that is coming in. In the next visual, you can see that several cars are submerged in the flood water as rivers flow in full spate in Jammu and Kashmir. These are the visuals from the Jammu region where you can see that several locals are stranded. These are the visuals that are coming in from the low-lying areas as well as after some bridges collapsed. Remember, Vaishno Devi Yatra has been halted after such horrific visuals are coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, these are the visuals that are coming in from Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. Rivers are flowing in full spate. Several landslides have taken place in the area. Internet connection has been forced to cut off as the rivers continue to disrupt power connectivity and locals connectivity, and the vehicles continue to remain stranded where they were. When we talk about multiple rivers in the area, one of the river which is most scary is the Tawi river. It has breached the danger level. Continuous rainfall has made the situation even worse in the area. The next visual we have is from Doda district where the situation remains grim. There is a flood-like situation in several parts of the area. Locals have been shifted and rehabilitated to the upper regions from the low-lying regions, and the continuous rainfall which the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that it will continue with more rainfall. The situation is expected to become more grim. Let's also look at some ground reports that we have for you.
NDTV team has been traveling from Chandigarh to Doda, and right now we are reporting from Pathankot that this road which is leading towards Jammu, that has already been blocked by the police official. So we will talk to the in charge who has been managing here.
आगे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ना SHO साहब ने फ़ोन किया है कि आगे पानी आ गया रोड के ऊपर, तो इसलिए सारी ट्रैफिक जो है बंद कर दी हमने। नहर ओवरफ्लो हो गया था, पानी बाहर आ रहा सड़क रोड के ऊपर। हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
जिसके कारण जम्मू को जाने के लिए पूरा ब्लॉक कर दिया गया।
ब्लॉक अभी फिलहाल पानी कम होएगा तो फिर छोड़ देंगे उसी टाइम।
तो पानी कम होने का कैसे पता चलेगा आपको?
हमारी फोर्स लगी हुई है, हमें मिनट बाद बता देंगे उसी टाइम।
तो आप इसीलिए प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं ताकि कोई भी कैजुअलिटी या कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट ना हो।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। जितनी देर हमें जम्मू पुलिस हमें नई इन्फॉर्मेशन देती उतनी देर हम किसी को नहीं भेजेंगे।
Pictures from ground, we can see the traffic which is going towards Jammu that had already been halted by the police officials here. I'll request my visitor to show all these pictures from the ground at this point of time. Towards Jammu, no vehicle is being allowed by the police official to move from this place because they have already got information from the adjoining police that there is a huge water that is on the bridge, and bridge has already been affected. To avoid any casualty, to avoid any incident and accident, they have decided to stop the whole traffic which is moving from Pathankot towards Jammu. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh Cheena for NDTV, Pathankot, Punjab.
And as we continue to track what's happening in Jammu and Kashmir, and an unfortunate incident of landslide near Vaishno Devi Yatra, 5 people have lost their lives and 14 others have been injured. Rescue operations are underway. 14 people remain injured in the tragedy. Remember, the situation is grim in Jammu and Kashmir after continuous rainfall in the area.